Hi guys, so we made it to 2018. Somehow we made it. I'm going to be doing a video on all my empties. I only have like one that's like not hair related. I don't really have like a skincare empty. Do I? Actually, no, honestly, I really don't have a skincare empty, but let's just go ahead and get into it. So I'm not going to be telling my particular thoughts on some of these products because some of these products are going in their own video. Some of them already have their own videos, but yeah. So let's just get on into it. What is in my eye? First, I have the Carol's Daughter Maribel, right? I think it's Maribel Plum Sulfate Free shampoo and the replenishing conditioner. It took me a while to actually finish this shampoo. I had to use like a Pantene conditioner just to get through it, but I got it done. Next, I have the Lusty Organics Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion. I think I need to actually try this again, but I got this from Dollar Tree for $1, so not a problem if I have to try it again. Then I have the Alberto VO5 Moisture Milk Strawberries and Cream Moisturizing Conditioner. I definitely need to buy a couple more of these. Even when there's no product in it, it smells so good. Next, I have the Canon T5 Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. I was actually going to throw this away, but what I'm going to do is take off whatever this is. I'm gonna just take this off, and then I'm gonna clean the inside out, and I'm gonna put in other leave-in conditioners in here. Because I actually really I did like the fact that the leave-in conditioner was in a container like this instead of one that you have to squeeze out. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is not going in the bag. This Pantene Curl Perfection Moisturizing Conditioner. This is actually the conditioner that I use with the Carol's Daughter shampoo just so I can get through it. And the only non-hair product is this Soft Soap Body Butter Shea and Almond Oil Moisturizing Body Wash. I actually have a tiny bit left in here, but I'm just going to get rid of it anyways. Hey Zoe, what you looking for? What you looking for? Next is the Eco Styler Crystal Gel. This is the Max Hold 10. I might just have this small container and I'm completely done with it. I have this Gliss Hair Repair Ultra Moisture Anti-Breakage Treatment. It is all gone, and like I said, some of these products will be having their own videos, whether it is reviews or talking about something else about them, but yeah. Next, I have this bottle of Win by Chaz Dean Cleansing Conditioner. Actually, I used to use this like a few years ago. Me and my mom used to, and then we stopped getting it. But apparently this was my aunt's bottle, and I used it on accident. Ugh. So what I'm going to do is, I know that Renpure sells something almost exactly like this, but for much cheaper. So I'm probably going to go ahead and buy her another bottle as soon as I figure out when am I going to go to Target. But I'll get her another one. I'm sorry. Next, I have the Originals by Africa's Best Olive Oil Deep Conditioner. This is another one of those products where I'm going to have to buy it again and like try it out. I've kind of realized that I have to usually use a product like 2 times, like buy it twice in order to like get my initial thoughts of it. Like this next product right here, the Smooth and Shine Intense Moisture Quenching Co-Wash with Macadamia Nut Oil and Shea Butter. There's so much. Y'all gotta really like stop with these names. But yeah, I need to buy this one again because I'm not sure how I feel about this, but this one is completely empty. Let's get us out to my hair. The next product is the Dubar Alma Gold Hair Oil. If you know who has recommended this, Geo's Wave, he is literally the only reason why I bought this. But I think I want to buy this again because I actually do like using this to seal my hair. I said I wasn't going to say my opinions on some hair products, but so far this is the only one that I'm going to say. Okay, I actually like this and I want to buy another one. Last but not least is the Lusty Naturals Argan Oil 4-in-1 Leave-In Conditioner. This is my second bottle, I believe, and I'm definitely going to be buying another one. I have a video on this product, also the Triple Strength Moisturizer. And I have videos for some of these products. I'll probably link them if I remember, because I just realized I have not been linking any of my stuff anymore, which I need to do that. and I will. This bag is full of empties, and I am happy to be doing this video because I needed to throw all those away. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a like. Also comment down below if you tried any of these products that you have seen here, or if you want to like see, like, just tell me like, yo, can you make a video on this particular product or something, and I probably will. We didn't make our goal to 500 subscribers by the end of the year of 2017, which is cool, so we just gonna carry that over to 2018. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do, because we're trying to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year, and I think it'd be pretty cool if we could make that happen. All right, I'ma go. Oh, if you're wondering what eyeliner I'm wearing, it's the NYX Vivid Brights, and I don't know what the shade is, but it's the yellow shade. I'll probably leave the name down here. And yeah, okay, I don't think anyone cared about my eyeliner, but I did, because this is really cool. I've never tried a colored eyeliner like this. Okay, let me go. Let's end this video. Bye!